Hello children, hope you are doing well. Children, this is your maths revision video class. Okay children, so we are revising chapter number 11, that is time. Yesterday we have completed convergence, hours into minutes, how to convert we have learned. And the second thing we have learned that months into weeks. Okay, so today's topic is to convert years into month. Okay, so conversion we are revising children. Conversion we have revised yesterday. To conversion we have revised, that is hour into minutes. Hour into minutes, what we have done, we just converted into minutes to multiply by 60. ओके 60 से मल्टीप्लाई करके हम आवर्स को मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दैट वी हैव लर्न. नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग वी हैव लर्न दैट मंथ्स इनटू वीक्स. हमने मंथ्स को वीक में कन्वर्ट करना सीखा. एज यू ऑल नो चिल्ड्रन, 1 month equal to 4 weeks and 2-3 days more. So we have learned yesterday. Now children, today we are going to start conversion years into month. Years into months. आज हम सीखेंगे years को convert कैसे करते हैं months में. Okay? Okay. So children, as you all know, 1 year equal to 12 months. ठीक है, सबको पता है मंथ्स नेम जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. So there are 12 months and you have to learn the spellings of these months. Now the question can be asked in exam that how to questions can be asked in the exam like which is the 5th month of the year, which is the 2nd month of the year, which is the shortest month of the year, and which is having less days, or you can say 12th month or 11th month of the year. So children, you have to learn all the months spelling wise and number wise also. So children, let's start our conversion that we have already learned. It means 1 year equal to 12 months. एक साल में 12 months होते हैं, 1 year में 12 months होते हैं. और suppose we are going to convert years into months. So how can we convert? Suppose I am going to give you one example, that is 3 years. 3 years we are going to convert into months. So how can we convert it? So let's see. 3 years, okay, 3 years multiply by 12 months. Okay, जब भी हमें years को months में convert करना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम करते हैं month से year को multiply कर देते हैं, तब हमें मिलता है exact months. So now children, here you can see 3 years. It means 3 years is there. So 3 years is going to multiply with 12 months. Okay. So let's see what we will do. Let's multiply. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. It means we are having 36 months. 3 years में 36 months होते हैं. And this is repeated addition. So multiplication is repeated addition. You can add 3 times 12. Okay. So this is the way we can solve. Now I will give you one more example children. Suppose 6 years. Okay, 6 years. Suppose 6 years. 6 years को अगर हमें convert करना होगा months में, so how can we do this? Now children, let's see. 6 years multiply by, because 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year में कितने months होते हैं? 12 months होते हैं. That is why we are going to convert it 12 months. Okay, 12 months. अब हमें ये देखना है 12 को अगर हम 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो what we will get? 6 2s are 12 children. So 1 is carry over, 6 1s are 6 and 1 is 7. So now we will get 72 months. 72 months. Okay, 72 months हमको मिलेंगे. तो ऐसे करके हम चीज़ों को कर सकते हैं, कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं ईयर को मंथ में. ओके, नाउ आई विल गिव यू वन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम, ओके, एज एग्जाम्पल. सो वी विल सॉल्व दिस. Now the word problem is Ritu lived for 2 years in Varanasi. In Varanasi. It means Ritu 2 साल से 2 years से वाराणसी में रहती थी. How many months did she live there? How many months did she live there? Now the question is asking you, ऋतु जो थी वो 2 साल से वाराणसी में रहती थी, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग टू यू हाउ मैनी मंथ्स शी लिव्ड देयर. ओके, नाउ सॉल्यूशन वी विल राइट. ऋतु लिव्ड इन वाराणसी 2 years. For 2 years. Okay, okay children. Now what we will do, now 1 year equal to 12 months. So therefore Ritu lived 2 years multiply by 12 months. So what we will get? 24 months. 24 months वो वाराणसी में रहती थी. Now answer we will write Ritu lived 24 months in वाराणसी. ठीक है, यानी ऋतु 24 months वाराणसी में रही. Okay children, so this is how we can convert years into month. Okay, हम years को month में ऐसे convert कर सकते हैं. So children, we will do our exercise, because 21 number exercise, that is 21 number exercise convert है, उसका जो C नंबर क्वेश्चन है वो इसी पर बेस है, यानी 3 years into month. 3 years into months. 3 years into months. अब आपको 3 year जो है वो months में convert करने हैं, तो we will convert it 3 years multiply by 12 months. Why? That is always, I have now 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. It means 36 months. So now children, yesterday we have solved A and B. Now today we are solving C. Okay, because this is based on conversion of months into, years into months. So I hope this is clear to you, children. Okay? Okay. Completed? Take a screenshot. Now we are going to do our next conversion, that is months into days. ठीक है? We are going to convert months into days. Months into days. Okay. Now children, one thing we must remember always, 1 month equal to 30 days. 1 month में 30 days होते हैं generally. Okay. If 1 month is having 30 days और हमें convert करना है month को days में, so how can we do? Simple thing. We just multiply by 30. Simple. Now children, let's start doing. Suppose if it is given 3 months, 3 months you have to convert. For example, I am just giving the example. So 3 months you are going to convert. So 1 month equal to 30 days. So here children, 3 months multiply by 30 days. Okay, 3 months multiply by 30. So you just here multiply it. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 90. Okay, 90. So we will write over here 90 days. ठीक है, 90 days. Simple. Now children, if we are going to convert 5 months, 5 months, okay, 5 months, suppose 1 month equal to 30 days. So what we will do? 5 months multiply by 30 days equal to whatever the answer will come, we will write 30 and 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. Okay, 150 days. 150 days. कितने दिन हैं? 150 days. So children, always remember, whenever we are converting months into days, we must remember 1 month equal to 30 days. Okay. So children, let's complete our exercise, that is D, E and F. Okay. So we will do our exercise number 21. 21. Now A, B, C we have already solved, so we will do over here D. D number exercise. D number exercise, 7 months into days. 7 months into days. ठीक है, convert. 7 months into days. Now here 7 months are there. So what we will do children? 1 month equal to 30 days. ठीक है? So 7 months multiply by 30 days. चलिए एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लेते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे 30 and by 7, so 7 zeros are 0 and 7 threes are 27. Okay. Okay children, so 21. Okay, so here 7 3s are 21, so here we will get 210 days. 210 days children. So always remember this type of the things will always there whenever we are converting months into days. Now children, E number we will do. We will do E number. E number is there. E number is 3 weeks into days. 3 weeks into days. 3 weeks into days children. So now let's start doing 3 weeks into days. Again we have to remember 3 weeks into days. So how many days in a week? So always remember 1 week equal to 7 days. Okay, 1 week equal to 7 days. This we have not learned, but now I am going to give you 1 week in equal to 7 days. 7 days होते हैं 1 week में. So यहाँ पर हमें convert करना है 3 weeks into days. 3 weeks into days. So here 3 weeks multiply by 7 days. Okay, so 7 3s are 21. So here 21 days. Okay, 21 days. Okay children, so complete this. Now D we are going to do. D is 4 years into days. 4 years into days. अब आपको 4 ईयर को डेज में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो 1 ईयर इक्वल टू 365 days. In every 4th year you will get 360 days, 66 days. So children, 1 year equal to 365 days. So 4 years into days. So now children, 4 years multiply by 365. Okay, now 365 multiply by 4, 22 is carry over, 24, 25, 26, again 2 is carry over. Now 4 3s are 12, 12, 13 and 14. So this is 1460 days. 1460 days. Okay, so we will complete this. So complete this. So 2 things we always remember that we have learned about 1 week equal to 7 days and 1 year equal to 365 days. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें, ये दोनों चीज़ अगर आप याद रखेंगे तो आगे की जो 2 एक्सरसाइज थी उसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. Now I think the doubts are clear and we have already done. Okay, 365 days or 366 days, it is depend on. So I am going to write this because this is important for us. Okay, so now 1 month equal to 30 days ऑब्लिक 31 days. मतलब दोनों ही हो सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. Now 1 week we have done. Now year we have done. Month we have done. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. है ना, 1 hour equal to 60 minute, and 1 month equal to 4 weeks, and 2 or 3 days more. Okay, so these things we have to remember. 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 year equal to 365 days, 1 month equal to 30 days, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 month, 4 weeks, and 2 or 3 days more. So these things are important for us in this chapter, that is chapter number 11, time. And children, I think we have completed this, and the doubts are clear. So children, we will meet again in our next video with the new chapter, that is chapter number 12, geometry. Okay, so we are going to start geometry. So first of all, we will discuss description of basic shapes, and then we will discuss everything what we have learned in our previous classes also. Okay, so children, we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.